Okay, I got this cleaned up over here, and then I had to get this clamped down to bring this section in tight to throw a weld there. I'll put the bead there and from underneath, and then on this inside I'll hit that too. I'm just gonna set you guys up here though. I'll be using a Lincoln 180. Okay, you guys. Now, I ain't no professional welder, nothing like that. I know enough to get myself in trouble, as everybody says. And I use flux core 0.035 wire. I don't use gas for my projects at home. I don't really see a point in investing extra money. But it's good enough. It'll hold. Now, I made them forks from scratch. I bought these plates with the locking levers and the pins off of Amazon. The only thing that came from the tractor is from this booger of a weld on this and over. I had to torch them off the back of the bucket. And then to put the skid steer quick attach, I put that on this. Just some simple plate. A little bit of plate as a guide. Support over here. And then your locking pin. But that wasn't all that bad to do. But I appreciate you guys watching, the next little project I get into, I'll sure have the camera going. Thanks